Okay, what do we got there, big boy? Suitcase. Level 8 in the house. Celadon. Voyager carry-on 20-inch. Boy, them cicadas, those bugs are loud. Do I? They tie this bag. Why are you tying this bag? Because it's not the easiest knot to untie either. I can go get you some scissors. All right, now that I finally have it untied, flip it over and pull off. Celadon level 8. Oh, that's nice. Again, the integrated lock.
The two zippers come together on the top and the zipper pulls latch into the TSA-approved lock. The Voyager 20-inch carry-on is built to endure. The shell is made from a very light and durable German-made Makrolon polycarbonate. It has a nice flex so it doesn't break or crack.
Alright, so it's just like the bigger Voyager.
Measuring 15 by 9 by 21, the Voyager 20-inch weighs in at 8 pounds and has a 43-liter capacity.
Again, it's got the wide handle on it, so it has the crossbars in the center. Your little wet pocket. So this is a gray, and then it's a very light green Celadon, but it's a very pretty color. It's close to a mint green almost. Yes, mint green. Then my favorite feature, the extra wide handle that goes from side to side. And the handles are, I don't know if you can see that, they're almost triangular shaped.
Diamond shaped?
Huh?
More diamond shaped?
Yeah, so I think that helps with the rigidity of the handle. Like, you can see that. These handles are solid.
One of the benefits of the wide telescoping handle is that the interior volume is not compromised because the guide rails are not running down the center of the interior, causing you to have to pack around them. The guide rails go down the outermost edge, leaving the inside cavity completely flat and much easier to pack. This is truly our favorite feature. I should also mention that the 20-inch carry-on will nest neatly inside the larger Voyager luggage to save some storage space.
Only two handles, one here, one here. They should put one on the bottom. However, it does have little stoppers, that way you're up off the ground on the bottom and the hinge side. Color matched.
The polycarbonate shell has a micro diamond finish for a refined exterior that makes wiping off scuffs easy. Level 8 luggage undergoes stringent quality tests and comes with a lifetime warranty that covers functional aspects including shell, wheels, handles, and zippers. On the inside features a deep flat compartment with the zipper closure divider. The zipper divider includes a wet and dry separation pocket for smart, clean organization. On the bottom are Level 8's notoriously ultra-quiet 360-degree spinner wheels that make for graceful maneuvering. These cases glide right over curbs, cobblestone, and other uneven surfaces. The innovative aluminum alloy wide telescoping handle makes this luggage so easy to push or pull. The wide handle design is seen across the entire Voyager line, and we feel it's the standout feature. Level 8 frequently runs sales and specials on their website. You can bundle the Voyager carry-on with one of the larger Voyager checked cases and save up to $60 on the bundle. And our special discount code can be stacked with the current sales by entering Aaron and Todd 10 in the promo box at checkout.
So, what you think?
I like it.
All right, so we've got several trips coming the rest of this year. We're gonna take this on the Margaritaville Islander with us on the cruise next month. And then we've got a quick 5K marathon we're gonna run in Arizona with walk.
walk in Arizona, and that's just a quick like 2-day thing and back. So that's going to be a carry-on only trip as well. So yeah, more to come. You know, you guys, we love to do these reviews and not just stand at a table and show you the features. We like to,
As we stand at a table and show the features.
I know, but I'll integrate this. Yeah, but I'll do a first look, an unboxing, and then we'll integrate it into us.
We'll take a trip with it.
Yeah, take a trip with it. So there you have it, guys. The Voyager 20-inch in Celadon from Level 8 Cases. We'll have a link in the description below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen and use our discount code Aaron and Todd 10 to save 10% on your order. We want to thank Level 8 for their partnership, and thank you, our loyal subscribers and viewers who trust in our product recommendations and use our affiliate links and discount codes during your shopping process. Your support helps us bring you more entertaining and informative travel-related content.
New bag for every trip.
Oh God, it is. We have just about had a new bag for every trip.
They treat us nice. Thank you, Level 8.
Hey guys, Future Editing Todd here. If you've made it this far in the video, leave the word Level 8 down in the comments below. And while you're still here, enjoy these 2 short trailers of other Level 8 bags that we've reviewed. How did these 2 Level 8 suitcases hold up after being checked on 14 flights in 21 days? Are Level 8's design choices actually functional?
I gotta say, these bags from Level 8 have been absolute troopers.
A few months ago, Level 8 sent us a couple of bags in exchange for our honest review.
What?
We took them on a quick weekend trip, and we were actually very impressed with these bags. And so we decided to take them around the world. It's travel day! Travel day! Woo! How did these 2 Level 8 bags do after a week at sea? Are Level 8's design choices functionally useful? Let's find out. Thanks, bye.
Goodbye.